Tired of leaving the casino broke every time? Here's how pro gamblers manage their money to stay in the game longer, and even walk away ahead. If you want more no-nonsense gambling tips and real casino advice, hit that subscribe button now, so you don't miss what works. Bankroll management means setting aside a specific amount of money just for gambling, and never dipping into your savings, rent, or food money. Gambling is unpredictable. Even with skill, variance, or luck plays a huge role. Without a plan, even the best players can go broke. According to the University of Nevada's Center for Gaming Research, more than 90% of gamblers don't use proper bankroll limits, leading to losses they can't afford. Decide ahead of time what you're willing to risk in a single visit, like say, $200. Once it's gone, you're done for the day. Never bet more than 5% of your total bankroll on a single hand or spin. For example, with $500, your max bet should be $25. Break it into multiple sessions to reduce tilt and fatigue. Allocate specific amounts for slots, blackjack, poker, and so on. Emotion kills bankrolls. If you're down, walk away. Casinos are open 24/7. Your money doesn't have to be. Stick to games with lower house edges like blackjack with basic strategy or video poker. This stretches your bankroll further. If you double your $100 buy-in, pocket the profit or, just stop playing. Set a loss stop, say $75, so you don't burn your whole roll. Track how much you spend, win, or lose. Apps like Gambon or even a notebook can help. Pros treat it like a business, not a gamble. Quitting while you're ahead isn't weakness. It's actually how bankrolls survive. Remember, the house always has the edge, but smart bankroll management gives you staying power. Play smart, bet small, and think long-term. If this helped, tap like and drop a comment with your favorite casino game. And don't forget to subscribe for more real-world casino wisdom.